4th of July celebrations are still going on, but for those of you who didn't get to see the fireworks tonight, we captured some of the highlights. J.C. Park in Fort Pierce had quite a showing. Hundreds of people lined the bridges and the causeway to get a glimpse of the colorful sparks. Unfortunately, lightning kept some onlookers away. All over South Florida, spectators were treated to sights like these while celebrating our country's birthday. We hope the celebration was special for you, too. That's the late report for this Saturday night. We'll be back tomorrow night at 6:30. Until then, good night from all of us at WTVX News.
More lightning. Well, all right.